Namaste everyone. Mahati Wellness welcomes you to this series on Maharishi Patanjali's Yoga Sutras. We will explore Sutra 1.25 from Chapter 1 Samadhi Path today. In the previous Sutra 1.24, Maharishi Patanjali described Ishvara as a special, ever-free consciousness, untouched by afflictions, actions, and their results. Now, in this sutra, he reveals one of the most profound truths about Ishvara, that in him lies the seed of infinite knowledge. The sutra is Tatra Niratishayam Sarvagya Bijam. The meaning is, in Ishvara exists the unsurpassed seed of all knowledge. Let us understand it word by word. The word Tatra means in him, in that Ishwar described earlier. The second word is Niratishayam, means without limitation or beyond comparison. Next is Sarvagya, means all knowing. Bijam means seed, the source or origin. Thus, the sutra conveys that in Ishvara resides the limitless seed of all wisdom, all intelligence, and all awareness. Ishvara's consciousness is not bound by time, place, or form. His knowledge is spontaneous and complete, beyond learning, memory, and experience. All forms of knowledge that we have as humans can ever attain, whether through study, meditation, or realization, all arise from this one infinite source of consciousness. Let's take one example. Consider a vast ocean, calm and deep. Every wave that rises and falls upon its surface is like a thought, a flash of knowledge. But the ocean itself, infinite, steady, silent, is the source of all waves. Ishvara is that ocean of consciousness. In him rests the seed of all understanding, from the simplest intuition to the highest wisdom. Through Sutras 1.23 to 1.25, Maharishi Patanjali establishes the foundation of Ishwar Tattva, the divine principle within the yoga philosophy. Having described the path of surrender and the nature of Ishvara as the ever-free consciousness, he now reveals why surrender to Ishvara leads to realization. Because in him resides the very seed of omniscience. For the seeker, this means that by meditating upon or surrendering to Ishvara, one aligns with the source of all knowledge and insight. The yogi's mind, purified and still, begins to reflect that divine wisdom naturally. Philosophically speaking, the human mind is limited by conditioning and memory, but the consciousness of Ishvara is eternal awareness, complete, self-luminous, and unconditioned. When Maharishi Patanjali speaks of the seed of omniscience, he means that all potential knowledge of the past, present, and future exists already in that supreme awareness. Yoga does not give us something new, it helps us remove the coverings that hide what is already complete within us. Practical reflection for us. When I seek understanding, do I look outward or do I pause and listen inwardly to the intelligence that quietly guides all? Can I bring reverence and humility to my pursuit of knowledge, knowing that its true source is sacred? So the essence of Sutra 1.25 is Ishvara is the boundless source of all wisdom. In him lies the seed of omniscience, complete, eternal, and untouched by limitations. By turning towards that light, we awaken the same clarity within ourselves. So, this was about Sutra 1.25. We will meet in our next episode with next Sutra. Namaste.